Here, let's move it back a bit. Ah, Gordon. It's a little off balance, eh?
Yeah.
A little weird. What do we do with it?
Just a matter of adjusting the bottom.
Now we got it all cleaned up. We'll take our pork fat, slice a couple of nice little slices out of it. Put it on top. What we're going to do is we're going to tie it on. All right, now we got it all tied up. What we're going to do is we're going to get a couple of sheets. We're going to season her up. All right, now that we got it all tied up, we got our beautiful rotisserie spit. Put it right through the middle. Put it right in the right spot. Put the other side on. A little Allen key just to tighten it up. That way she's not going to go anywhere. And then what we put, Silver Fox Butcher Steak Spice. It's a perfect blend of seasonings, salt, pepper, and a little bit of other stuff. And a little surprise. You generously season her up. What we do, just to make sure we get it all on there, give it a nice little roll on your paper. That way it sticks. Get all your seasoning in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take it over to the rotisserie. All right, put her in there. Put her on the rotisserie. Flip the light on. Start her turning. Watch the heat fire up. Come back and check it in about an hour. All right, we got that roast beef turning. It's been on for about 45 minutes. You can see the nice, beautiful brown color. That's melting away. She's looking pretty good. Let's see how she comes out. All right, we got the sirloin tip roast going here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stop the rotisserie. We're gonna check the temperature and see if it's ready to take off yet. Got our old instant thermometer. We're 125 degrees. Looks like she's ready. Let's get her off.
So,
All right, beautiful sirloin tip roast ready to go.
I probably ride.
So,
First, I'd rather do this, and then I'll go there.
and then you'll like.
Yeah,
Are you recording?
I am. I've been recording for a bit.
Okay.